If you are a small YouTuber like me, you will agree with me that it is not right for you to start investing money on filming gadgets like ring lights, microphone, tripod stand, and all that. So, if you're yet to be monetized like me, if you're a small YouTuber like me with less than 1,000 subscribers, you don't need to start investing money on filming gadgets. This particular video is for you. So in this video I am going to be showing you how I take this low quality video to this high quality video, and also I'll be showing you how you can enhance your sound, your video sound, without using microphone. In this video I do not use any microphone, no wireless microphone or any form of microphone at all. I do not use any microphone. So I am going to be showing you how you can increase the quality of your video without ring light, and also the sound quality, the quality of the sound of your video without any microphone. That's what I'll be showing you in this video, and also I'll be showing you how to change the background of your video. Just so you know, this background is fake. So I am going to be showing you how I change this background to this background. So come with me. So for this this particular video is actually a three-in-one package. So to get this all these things done, we are going to be using three important apps. So if you don't have them, go and download them on Play Store or Apple Store. So we are going to need CapCut, we need Canva, AI Tornado, and that is all. So first of all, I'm going to be showing you how to enhance the quality, how to enhance your video without ring light, and also the quality of the sound of your video, your voice, the quality of your voice without microphone. That's what I'll be showing you. It is not advisable as a small YouTuber, someone who have not been monetized on YouTube, to start investing money on gadgets, on filming gadget, filming equipment, since you have not been monetized on YouTube. I mean, if you have been getting paid, if you have been getting your money from YouTube, there is nothing wrong in that, but you are yet to get your payments, you are yet to be monetized on YouTube. So it will just be like a waste of money. If you have the money, you can do that, and at the same time you need to make a good quality video that will keep viewers coming to your YouTube channel, that will keep them coming, that will make them want it to be coming to your YouTube channel, wanting more of your video. I'll be showing you how you can achieve these things without spending a dime. Yeah, it is possible without spending a dime. So I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this without spending a dime. So now I'm going to be showing you how to increase the quality of your video, how to enhance the quality of your video, and also how to enhance your voice. So now I am going to import this video to CapCut. I will open my CapCut app. So let's get that done. So right now I will click on the CapCut app, then I will upload the video to the CapCut app. So I will click on edit as I'm doing in the video, clicked on edit, and I looked for the retouch um icon, then clicked on the face icon, and the next thing is I clicked on the smooth icon, which I increased the level of the smooth icon, the intensity, to the exact thing I want for the video. It depends on what you want. So I increased the level of the smoothness. So I increased it. Then after that, I went ahead to click on the apply to all clips, then I confirmed it. So the next thing is to click on the skin tone and choose your preferable skin tone. So here is me trying out the skin tone, the different skin tone made available for the video.
So I clicked on it, and yeah, so the next thing is to increase the intensity and the warmth of the skin tone. So I increased the, as you can see me doing in the video, I'm still looking for the one I want for my video. So I think I like this exact one for my video, and I increased the warmth of the skin tone and also the intensity all the way to the end of the limits, to the end of, to the end, all the way to the end. So now we are done with that. The next thing is to move ahead to the adjust icon. So we are still on edit, we are still editing. So I move on to the adjust icon, then clicked on brightness. I increase the level of brightness of the video to the exact level I want, to what I exactly want for the video, and the rest I increase the level saturation and all that. So it depends on you, and this is actually easy. Then after this, the next thing is to move on to the to increase the volume of the video, because in this video I did not use any external microphone. The only thing I used is my voice, my natural voice. So you went ahead to increase the volume of the video all the way to the end. Then after that, you look for the reduce noise icon, clicked on it and switched it on, as you see me doing in the video. So I clicked on it, switched it on.
Yeah, now that we are done with increasing the quality of the video and also the sound of the video, we move to the next thing, which is to change the background of the video. Come with me.
Now to change the background of the video, I clicked on Chrome, then I typed in Leonardo AI. That's the first step. Type Leonardo AI, then make sure your data is switched on, and then clicked on search. So click on Leonardo AI. If you do not have an account with them, I already have an account, just click on the create account, and or you can just log in with your Google account. So I already have an account with them, and yeah, so the Leonardo AI is still loading. So click on the create new image. So I clicked on that and I typed in the prompt that I want for the video, what I want the AI to generate for me, the exact thing that I want the AI to generate for me. I am going to be dropping it in the this description box down below this video, so you can just check it out. So I'm going to be putting it right there. To generate a picture, it always costs 6 coins. By default, you already have about 160 coins, which will be renewed every day. So this is the image generated after the after I click on the generate image. This is the image generated, and so you click on it, click on download. I'm done downloading the image. So we are going to leave AI, so now Leonardo, then go ahead to Canva. Canva is an editing app which is very good for every creative soul. So just click on the YouTube thumbnail, search for YouTube thumbnail. So clicked on the first thing you see there. So I clicked on the first thing I saw, and you just have to click on gallery and then upload the video, the image you downloaded from Leonardo AI, and make sure you drag it to fill in the size of the thumbnail. To make sure you drag it to fill in the size of the thumbnail. So clicked on elements. If you like, this is actually optional. So I clicked on elements, I typed in YouTube icon, then I look for the icon I want for this video. So I resize the icon to what I want exactly, as you can see me doing in the video. So I went ahead to adjust the quality of the icon to my taste, to what I want. It depends on you, it depends on what you want. I am not telling you to do the exact thing you see me doing in this video. So now if you want to change the background of your video, make sure you make sure you film the video with a plain background. So right here I am still trying to edit the icon I picked from the element. So I am still trying to increase the quality of the icon, and yeah, this is the exact thing I want. And the next thing is to increase the quality of the image I generated from Leonardo AI to what I want. So I increase the brightness of the picture, the contrast, then highlight and everything to the exact thing I want for my video. So this is actually easy. If you do not have Canva, they are actually free on Play Store. You don't need to pay a dime Play Store to download it, make use of all these things. Then so just download it. I exported the everything I am using here. So I move on to click on my CapCut app. Then I click on the image I exported. Then I added it to the edit page. So you will drag the image, the background we want to use for the video. I dragged it all the way to the duration of my video. The video I wanted to use this background for is about 4 minutes and some seconds. So I dragged it all the way to the duration of the video. Now that we are done with dragging the icon to the duration I want, the background to the duration I want, the next thing is to click on the overlay icon. To overlay the video I want to change its background. So I choose the video I want to change its background, then I clicked on overlay. Then after that you clicked on remove icon, automatic remove. There is automatic remover of background. So I remove the background of my video automatically. Then I adjusted it to the exact position I want it to be. Now the background is already changed. So you clicked on the filter icon, and picked the filters you want. There are pro filters and the ones that are free. So you can actually make use of the ones that are free, and you can make use of more than one filter at a time.
Yeah, so good so far. I had a lot of fun while filming this video. So we are done with filming the video, and yeah, I am done with everything. If you have learned one or two things from this video, please do wait to subscribe, like this video, and please comment down below. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will be in the comment section to attend to all your questions. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you next time. Bye.